Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A31 and today I'll show you how to enable the screen recording option. So number one, what you want to do is add it to your toggles. So as you extend it and you don't see it anywhere in the toggles right here, tap on this grid-like thing next to the settings and you should find it somewhere over in here. So it is right here, start screen recording. Hold your finger on it and then drag it over to here, click on done, and there we go, now it's in your toggles. And from here, all you need to do is tap on it, allow if that is basically for launching it for the first time. After you allow all of it, it won't be asking you anymore. So you get a countdown and then it starts recording whatever you will be doing on your screen. So anything I will do is being recorded. And also where my finger goes, as you can see, there's a trial, like a white little dot. That is also gonna show on the recording, basically where I was touching the screen. And once you're done recording, you just tap on the button right here. It gets automatically saved and then it can be found in your photo gallery. So if we go into here, albums, camera, and there it is. And it automatically plays. And also you can see where I was touching the screen, like I said before. So getting out of this one. Also, if you hold this, it will give you a couple settings in here that you can customize this even further. So for instance, you have video and you have a 720p or 480p. I would stick with the 720. It will take a little bit more space for recording for a minute, but in the long run it's going to be way better looking than the 480p. Then you have record screen taps, so that's basically where my finger was. If you disable this, you won't see where I was touching the screen, so that white dot that was kind of like moving around will be completely gone. And then you can also enable the front camera. And that's about it that you get for these settings. So that is basically how you would use the recording on this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.